which still isn't the best.
Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. Oh, please lower this down because
next week's getting back
where's my remote?
Extra Care Bucks. I'm excited. I love the stuff that I've tried from Milani. We do not get Extra Care Bucks deals on Milani that often. If we do, it's just specific.
Anyways, I am back with another video. I went to my local Dollar Tree. Today is my daughter's birthday, and I am trying to do something a little bit different, something cute for my daughter. And we're gonna celebrate on Friday because today they have like a field trip, and my my second and third, they won't be home until like after 9:30 tonight because of the field trips that they're doing. They are actually going to the elementary schools, and they're going to talk about their LOTC program and what they do, and all about them, all about what to expect for middle school, which is just so happened that Elizabeth, which is my youngest of the girls, that's her birthday today. She is getting ready to hit middle school next school year. So she's going to get to see her sisters, talk about the programs and stuff like that. So I'm excited. But anyways, I am actually in the middle of crafting I decided to do something a little bit different for my daughter. She is in that little tween phase right now where she is doing, like, she's into like the makeup, the body, like the bath bombs, the smell good lotions, the lip gloss, the nail stickers, things like that. So what I decided to do, and what I'm in the middle of doing right now, is making her own. And I thought it'd be a cute idea to kind of like make a PR box for her, since she's, especially like with these makeup companies, and they send their influencers their little PR boxes. So I am doing a PR box for my daughter, and I found this really pretty box at Dollar Tree right here. And as you can see, I'm already starting to bedazzle her letter E. So I bought these little sequins, this little sequence to add on to her box. So as soon as I'm done with her E, as you can see, it's so pretty. I'm thinking about doing a sequence all around the box. And what I'm gonna do is also, I found this really cute little mirror. I'm not gonna, right there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna sequence this as well in the back. I'm not too sure yet because it's really pretty. So, and it goes pretty good with the little box too. So, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna start adding like cute little tissue, and then I'm gonna add a whole bunch of like lip gloss, chapsticks, bath bombs, smell good lotions, just a little small travel size. And I want to try to stuff it so that way when she opens it, she sees all that stuff for her. But I just wanted to show you guys my little sequence, and show y'all the outcome once I'm done. So let me finish this up so that way I can kind of show you the finished product. Hey guys, so I am back. I just finished. It took me like an hour to do this, but I really, really love how it turned out. So what I'm gonna do is just clean it up a little bit because there is a little stragglers of hot glue, um, the little strands of hot glue. So I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit, get it ready, and then I'm also gonna clean up her little mirror and put it in a little gift bag for her. I really hope she likes it. I wanted to do something personalized for her, and just show her how special she is. And I know that she loves anything makeup, anything bath body, bath bombs, things like that. So I'm gonna fill all of that up in here, and this is gonna be her own little personal PR box for Miss Elizabeth. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was my little DIY, and honestly it was like $1 for the sequins and $1 for this box that I found, and I already had the hot glue gun and hot glue stick, so it just took some time and effort to see how I wanted it, and I think it turned out really cute that I'm like all obsessed over it right now. So anyways, I hope you guys have a great one. I will be back with another video. Most likely it's going to be the 5 off of 25 with both Dollar General and Family Dollar. I am probably going to do that deal on Friday for Family Dollar, and Dollar General I'm going to take advantage on Saturday. I need to come up with some few scenarios. I know definitely going to keep adding shampoo and conditioners. Definitely going to do that, especially because next week is the last week and the kids are off from school. They're going to enjoy their summer vacation starting after the 31st. So I got to prepare and make sure that I can at least accommodate all 5 of the kids at home. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will be back with another video soon, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.